Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are looking into day number 18 of our 60 days live campaign. You saw how the month of February went on. It went very beautifully. We were almost able to make 20% returns, but our journey is still not over. We have got many more days to continue, 40 days approximate, yeah. Because to have the same control, same emotions, to follow the same strategy for 60 days is a big challenge. This is why I'm trading along with you all, so that everyone who are trading along with me in the same course can look into the videos daily and get inspired and get trained daily. Okay friends, so the quote for today, something which I've been telling always, is that I always say you could publish rules in a newspaper and no one would follow them. The key is consistency and discipline. So this is what our campaign is all about. Okay, so you would have seen that same strategy many are using, all are following, but still I am least bothered. I don't even mind sharing it. I don't even mind giving it to others. Don't even mind teaching it to others. Many have learned from it, and you also would have observed that only those who are following it strictly are able to make profit. So in case whenever you get lost and you quit in the center, you won't be able to make profit end of the month. Okay friends, so before going to the live trading video, I just wanted to give a quick update because many were asking me about to start training in options. Okay, so then I have designed a 5-part course. It will be for 5 months, and it will be like a mentorship program where I'll be calling you and practicing, teaching you about options. Okay, so I would not like to go into basics, but I don't mind teaching basics also. But people those who have little experience can start it. More details I'll be uploading on Monday. I'll be sharing you more information. Basically what I'll be targeting is I'll be teaching you tactics by which you can make profits in options. So as you all know that options is one among the safest method in case if you do hedging. And if you're looking for something where you don't want to look into your screen daily, just want to look into a screen once in a week or once in a month, then if at all you want to plan for a swing trading kind of method, then options is the best because it will be 100% hedged, and accordingly we'll be placing the trades, and I'll be teaching you these tactics how to make best profits out of it. So people those who are interested in this options training, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and get further details. Okay, so the stock selected for day 18 was Yesbank. It was a clear cut trending stock. Nobody had any issues with selecting the stock because we saw the movement and we saw the gaps, and as per our analysis everything was fitting perfect. And then at around 12 o'clock the stock was giving indication of a trend. That is the reason we took a trending direction at 12 o'clock. Initially at 11 o'clock it was in the ranging phase, then by 12 o'clock it has come to the trending phase. But you can take any phase anytime, whenever you're free you can trade, there is no restriction. So then since we traded at 12 o'clock we decided to go for the trending phase. So this is the reason why you can see I am taking out the breakout trades, and levels for sell was 234 and 233, target of 1.5, stop loss of 1, and quantity is 1000. So you can see that both the orders are trigger pending. That's it, nothing else to be done. And then at around 120 you can see that your profit was hit 1500 easily. It was hit, and we have to quickly update into our Excel sheet because we don't have much work to do. Just maintain an Excel. You will identify your analysis, you will identify your accuracy, all those things will be noted when you maintain like this kind of Excel. Okay, so we finished day number 18. We completed and we started off March month with a bang. March 1st you can see the first stock traded today was Yesbank, and then 1500 straight profit. No worries, no tensions, simple funda. Okay, and friends, last but not the least, the trading platform which I used for trading today is Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I put in the description of this video, and there is no demat account charges till 7th of March. It's a special offer which they're providing, so it's zero opening charges, and it is very good, very much suited for working people. And also you'll be getting 50% discount on my trainings. Okay, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525, Thank you and have a nice day.